Health Support 360 welcomes you. This is Pavitra, health consultant. Today's topic is turmeric, the immune boosting superfood. Turmeric, the golden curry spice, is the new wonder supplement. Turmeric is the rhizome of the plant, a member of the ginger family. It is known for its renowned medicinal properties and has gained interest of both medical and scientific world, apart from its culinary uses worldwide. Turmeric can be used both externally and internally. Now let's first see the external applications. Turmeric is a blood purifier. So turmeric can be mixed with the coconut oil and made into a paste and can be used in itching, bug bites, and fungal infection. Turmeric is an antibacterial, antifungal property. So it can be used with basin flour and neem and made into a paste and can be applied on our skin, and it controls the conditions like psoriasis, dermatitis, and dryness of the skin. During the summertime, turmeric can be mixed with the sandalwood powder and it's a coolant to the body. For face acne, turmeric can be added to yogurt and chickpea flour and made into a paste and applied to the face, can control acne. Turmeric is a natural deodorant and moisturizer. When applied regularly, stops the unwanted hair growth. It gives a natural, healthy, glowing skin. There are numerous chemical compounds, curcuminoids, in turmeric. One of the active ingredients is curcumin. Curcumin gives the turmeric many of its vast health benefits. The dried root of the plant is ground to create the distinctive yellow color to the turmeric powder. Turmeric aids in digestion. It supports the enzymatic conversion, optimizes the acid production and nutrient absorption. It is a natural antibiotic and also a probiotic. It removes the growth of the bad bacteria like Helicobacter pylori, etc., and regulates the growth of good microorganisms and supports our internal ecosystem, which leads to happy, healthy life. People with gas discomfort, gastritis, ulcer, and digestive disorders can take turmeric regularly. Turmeric lowers the risk of heart disease. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory property helps in improving the function of the endothelium. Turmeric also reduces the LDL and triglyceride levels and increases the good cholesterol HDL and hence controls and regulates the blood pressure. Turmeric improves the brain function. It helps in detoxifying the brain by boosting the level of the brain hormone, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. This promotes the growth of new neurons and reduces the degeneration and reduces the buildup of beta amyloid plaque formation. So hence it could be used in the early stages of Alzheimer's and could even reverse in the early stages of Alzheimer's. Our immune system is responsible for protecting our body from pathogens that cause disease and infection. Turmeric is one of the best anti-inflammatory immune boosting food in the world, reduces us from falling sick. Turmeric has antiviral, antibacterial, and antimicrobial properties. The anti-inflammatory properties in it reduces pain and swelling and can be used in arthritis. It is very difficult for the human body to absorb turmeric when taken alone. So it's advised to take turmeric with black pepper for its full benefit so that it can release slowly inside our system and get absorbed to several folds. The active ingredient, curcumin, in turmeric is fat soluble. It is only absorbed in the body when taken along with the fat medium. So the good way to take turmeric and absorb it to its fullest form is should be taken with black pepper along with the fat medium like coconut oil or ghee or olive oil. That's the best way to take turmeric. So the take home here is turmeric should always be consumed with black pepper in a fat medium like olive oil, ghee, or coconut oil. We learned about the benefits of turmeric and the right way, the smart way of consuming turmeric. In part 2, I've made an interesting recipe with turmeric for you all. Do watch that recipe and start implementing it in your daily life to reap the maximum benefits from turmeric. We welcome your comments, like, share, and subscribe us. Follow us on Facebook. Thank you. Take care.